on. Come the hell on, okay? You're getting more damn turnovers than a fucking bakery. Alright? You shoot worse than your Uncle Randy, who hit me in the ass with a .22 rifle when we were hunting. Come on. Do better. Finish through the content. Come on, stop being a woman. You play like a woman. Come on. What are you doing out there? Come on. Take it up the damn middle and take the contact, okay? Your mom does it every night. She doesn't complain. And you can't even do it in a game of football. Your son should go on the bench and serve him some water.